Welcome aboard the 2024 Z5 A.NOOCHETTE. The Z5 is a new model from Zeelander, and this is hull number 7. Built custom for a knowledgeable owner, this boat was professionally surveyed before leaving the Zeelander factory in the Netherlands and once again in Palm Beach, prior to owner delivery in May 2024. The hull paint, selected by the owner, is Ferrari's blue Pozzi, and the superstructure is finished in Zeelander's white Pearlescent. The interior is finished in Zeelander's Nautical Décor scheme. It features diamond-stitched upholstery, Macassar high-gloss wood, white lacquer, and leather with touches of teak wood and blue fabric highlights throughout. She is powered by twin Volvo IPS 650s, offering a total of 960 horsepower. The Z5 has one of the most comfortable rides on her well-designed hull. Since delivery in Palm Beach, the boat has been lightly used in the calm west coast waters of Florida, from her home dock in Naples. The engines and generator have low hours, and all services are currently up to date. With the same captain since day one at the helm and an open checkbook maintenance plan, A.NOOCHETTE is the best boat available in this size and style on the market. Please call for your private preview today, and thank you for visiting.